Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the 84mm Sportsman Swiss Army knife, the Canadian edition. We see that knife here comes in a silver traditional box with the Victorinox manual, and what is different, we see here already the knife has a print on the front scale. It's a 84mm Swiss Army knife with the Canadian leaf printed on. And this on the front side of the scale, we see the scale is red, the print is white, and in the middle we have a nice cutout that leave the red come through again. So that's really nice made. And on the reverse side, where usually is the back side, Victorinox put their logo on it. This Sportsman Swiss Army knife features the corkscrew. It's regular scales, no plus, and that is rather unique to have the Celidor scales with the logo on the back side and not on the front side, because there is the print. I got this knife thankfully from Alexei Fox, Swissbianco, Canada, for my personal collection. Thanks a lot. The knife itself, the Sportsman, features two layers. We have the regular opener layer in 84mm, and then the second layer is with the main blade and the nail file. And on the back side, both layers have tools as well. We see the corkscrew and the awl. So it's a pretty simple but useful design of the tool combination on this Swiss Army knife. Of course, the toothpick and the tweezer and the split ring. The size is 84mm, so that makes it for a more compact carry, easy to carry knife. And with the Canadian leaf print, it's rather rare. That much to the Canadian version of the Victorinox line.